See this white fence, this beautiful white fence? Well, when it was installed, unfortunately, the installers hit the main line all the way down. They also ripped the wires out of the ground all the way down. There were 17 of them, and they did that for about 1,000 feet. Do a little math there, that's 17,000 feet of wire that we need to install in the ground right here. So while David gets this trench opened up, I've got to open up a road crossing because we've got some valves that go across the street to the median over there that we need to tie into. We've got our work cut out for us, and I'm still waiting on the 17,000 feet of wire to show up. I'll show you what that looks like when he gets here. You can see across the street there we have a valve in the median, and I'm standing right here. That means that the wires should come to this point here. We're going to open up a hole, probably going to go down about 4 feet to the main line to find those wires. Using our locator, we managed to find this junction box over here. We still do need to find the wires on this side of the gate, but at least now I can use my locator from this point to that point, closing the gap a little bit here. And David is still going with the trencher. It's official. This cart can pull 12,000 feet of wire. Each one of those reels is 2,500 feet. There's 4 of them in there. And each one of these reels is 1,000 feet. Well, 500. There's 2 of them in each box. 12,000 feet of wire. That cart is struggling. So here's the plan. I don't have a wire caddy, but I got a whole bunch of PVC pipe on my truck, so I'm gonna build myself a wire caddy, and one roll at a time, I'm gonna run this wire all the way down to the end and back until I've ran out all 6 of these rolls behind me and the smaller rolls down there in the boxes. Wish me luck, it's gonna take a while. Tune in tomorrow for part 2.